Are you planning to learn data analytics but feeling confused about where to start? The moment you search online, you're hit with thousands of courses, hundreds of tutorials, and so many different opinions. Some videos teach Excel, some focus on SQL, and some promise job guarantees right away. And somewhere in that noise, you're still left wondering what's the right path for me. So, in today's video, I want to make this entire journey crystal clear. I will walk you through what a good data analytics course should look like, how you should structure your learning, what skills actually matter in real companies, and what kind of guidance helps you become truly job ready. Let's begin with the fundamentals. A proper data analytics learning path must cover the complete data pipeline, starting from Excel, moving into SQL, then exploring Python for data cleaning and analysis, mastering libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Seaborn, and finally wrapping up with powerful BI tools such as Power BI or Tableau. Because companies don't hire you for learning one tool in isolation. They hire you for your ability to work end to end with data. If you're starting from absolute zero, your roadmap should follow a clear and practical structure. You begin with Excel because that's where you learn the basics: data cleaning, formulas, pivot tables, and the logic of how data behaves. Once you feel comfortable, you move to SQL, where you understand how companies store, manage, and query large data sets. You will write queries, join tables, filter data, and build a strong foundation in handling databases, one of the core skills for any analyst. Next comes Python, which helps you scale your skill set. You learn to automate repetitive tasks, work with large data sets, and perform advanced analysis using NumPy and Pandas. Visualization with Matplotlib and Seaborn helps you convert insights into powerful charts and stories. And finally, you graduate to business intelligence tools like Power BI or Tableau. The tools analysts use to create dashboards, track KPIs, monitor performance, and present insights to business leaders. Along this journey, you must work on real projects like sales trend analysis, customer segmentation, forecasting models, marketing performance, business dashboards. These projects are your proof of skills. They don't just teach you tools, they make your portfolio stronger and show companies that you can solve real business problems. This is the roadmap most successful analysts follow. And it's the same structure companies expect when they hire fresh talent. Now, the most common question is, can you learn data analytics for free? Absolutely yes. There are plenty of beginner-friendly tutorials available on YouTube. If you simply want to explore the field, build basic clarity, or understand whether data analytics really interests you, a free course is a great starting point. Even Intellipath offers a completely free data analytics course on YouTube that covers all essential fundamentals in a simple and structured manner. It's perfect for beginners who want a clear overview before committing to deeper learning. But when the goal is to actually build a career or switch into a data role, the approach has to evolve. At that point, you need more than just videos. You need structured learning, guided practice, assignments, interview preparation, and most importantly, mentors who can guide you throughout the journey. Mentorship makes a huge difference. A good mentor will tell you where you're going wrong, how to build strong project portfolios, how to think like an analyst, and how to present your work confidently in interviews. This hands-on guidance is something free content simply cannot offer. A lot of learners today specifically prefer programs where they can interact with real industry professionals, data analysts, data scientists, and experts who actually work on business problems every day. Learning from such people gives you direction and clarity because they know exactly what companies look for in candidates. And this is where structured programs like Intellipath's Data Analytics course stand out. The training is designed by IIT instructors and senior industry experts to ensure the learning is practical, job-ready, and beginner-friendly. You don't just learn tools, you learn how they're used inside real companies through guided projects, real data sets, and step-by-step case studies. Another big advantage is the 24/7 doubt resolution support. When you work with SQL, Python, or BI tools, you will get stuck. Maybe a query won't run, a dashboard won't refresh, or a data set won't load properly. Having someone available to help you at any time makes your learning smooth, stress-free, and consistent. This level of support is one of the major reasons learners choose professional programs. My simple suggestion is this: start with a free course, build your basics, understand the field, and see if data analytics truly excites you. And once you feel confident and want structured learning, real-time mentorship, hands-on projects, and complete career support, then choose a program that can guide you end-to-end. Intellipath's Data Analytics course is built with this exact goal in mind: to take you from a beginner level to a job-ready analyst through expert-led training, real projects, and dedicated support at every step.